In today's video, I'll teach you how to check if your computer can update to Windows 11. So if you want to check that, there are actually two methods. If you're using Windows 10, what you can do is simply go to settings. Click on the start icon that you can see at the bottom of the taskbar. Now click on the gear icon. Once you do that, the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options related with settings over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for update and security. Click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the update and security interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure to click on this option, Windows Update. Now once you do that, Windows Update interface will be loaded for you. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for check for updates. Click on it. Now simply wait for a while. Now if your computer can update to Windows 11, the Windows 11 update will be available for you. Otherwise, it will not be shown. There is also another method that you can use. In order to do that, what you can do is simply use the PC Health Check app. For that, what you have to do is launch open PC Health Check application on your device. You can see over here, I've opened it. Now right over here in this screen, you'll be able to find this option for check now. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, they'll tell you if your computer meets the requirements in order to update to Windows 11 or not. So like this, you'll be able to check it. So that is how you check if your computer can update to Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.